Hello and welcome to my KS2 Maths challenge question solving sessions. Let's get started. So, my first question here is it's about a Wuzzles. So I think Wuzzles was an animated character in the 80s TV series. So I think they've got the name from there. So the question they're asking is, in Rainbow Land there are lots of puzzles. The question has two parts. We will do part A first. So the thing is, in Rainbow Land there are lots of puzzles. Puzzles are all green, pink or blue and have either big ears or small ears. They like to live together in houses. In one Wuzzle household. The question is, all the following statements are true. So they have given us these statements. Now the first one, they're saying there are more green Wuzzles than any other color. So we will note the green Wuzzle as a G. And then they are saying there are equal number of big-eared green and small-eared green. So big-eared green we will say BEG, equal number of big-eared green and small-eared green. So they are all the same, equal number of both. That is our next thing. The third thing they're saying is there are three Wuzzles with big ears. So three big eared Wuzzle equals 3. So that I think will be easier to follow. So there are 3 big eared Wuzzles. So that's the next thing they're saying. Then there are twice as many big eared greens as big eared pinks. So twice as many big eared greens as big eared pinks. So big eared green is twice big eared pink. Okay, so that's the third one. So we have fact number 1, fact number 2, fact number 3, and there are 3 times as many pink Wuzzles as blue Wuzzles. So blue 3 times pink. Okay. So, and the first fact is of course that there are more green than any other color. So green is the highest. So what does this mean and what does this tell us? So we have to solve for how many of each kind there is. Big-eared green, small-eared green, big-eared pink and so on. A couple of things that come out from here is big-eared Wuzzle is 3. So big-eared Wuzzle means there are a combination of big-eared green and big-eared pink. So note from here, the big-eared is 3 and big-eared green is double of big-eared pink. The total is 3. So we can say that big-eared pink is 1, big-eared green is 2. Then the total of big-eared Wuzzle is 3 and big-eared green equals small-eared green. So small-eared green is also 2. So green equals 4. You see what I mean? So green is 4. Then if green is 4, now we have to find the pink. Now we have got only the big-eared pink. which is 1. And they're saying blue is 3 times pink, so there has to be 3 pink. If there is one big-eared pink, then they haven't said anything about small-eared pink, have they? No. So big-eared pink is 1. So blue is 3 times pink. So pink has to be 3. So there has to be 3 pink and blue is 1. So I think then this will all add up nicely. So let me write it down. So we have, what we found out is big-eared pink equals 1, big-eared green equals 2, small-eared green is 2, green is 4, sorry, green is 4, and pink is 3, and blue is 1. So that's what it is. I think we found out all the ones. Big-eared green and small-eared green. And this is my small-eared green, this big-eared green. Big-eared pink, I found out, is 1. And other. So that's all. We found all of it out. So then let's go to the part B. So before going to part B, let me erase this. So you've got some place to work out the other part of the question. So what they are telling us in part 2 is, in another Wuzzle household, all of these statements are true. So the statements they have given us are, so they've given us are, there are the same number of pink wuzzles as there are green wuzzles. So pink equals green. Okay, twice as many big-eared green wuzzles as there are small-eared green. So small-eared green, no, it's the other way around. So big-eared green equal to twice small-eared green. That's this one done. There are the same number of big-eared green as big-eared blue. Big-eared green equals big-eared blue. I hope you can understand my writing. Anything is unclear, do leave a comment. I try to make it as clear as I can. So big-eared green is equals to big-eared blue. They're the same. That's what they're saying. All but one of the wuzzles have big ears. Now what this means is all except one has big ears. So small-eared wuzzle equals 1. This is the fact that's coming out from here. Okay, small-eared wuzzle is 1. Now, so if small-eared wuzzle is 1, it has to be small-eared green, because we only hear of small-eared green. So small-eared green is 1, big-eared green is 2. Okay, so green green wasl is 3, pink wasl is 3. So next we have to find out blue. This is a blue one. Same number of pink as green, twice as many big-eared wasl as small-eared wasl. The same number of big-eared green as big-eared blue. Yes, there's a big-eared blue. So big-eared green is 2. So big-eared blue is also 2. Isn't it? Yeah, we got it here. Big-eared green equal to 2. And that's it. Those are the facts. So let's do the answer here. So I'm not doing the answer here again. I think this part is our answer. So this is our answer here. So go through this again. See what you think, if you can understand, if you have any problems or you think it's wrong. Leave a comment and I will answer back, and if there are any mistakes I'll go through the video again with you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.